गुड आफ्टरनून एंड नमस्कार। स्वागत है आप सब लोगों का एचडीएफसी बैंक के इस डिजिटल प्रेस मीट में। मेरा नाम राजीव बैनर्जी है एंड आई एम पार्ट ऑफ द कॉर्पोरेट कम्युनिकेशन टीम एट बैंक। थैंक यू सो मच everyone for your time here. We will begin the proceedings now. As you must have, while logging in, seen the slide which says festive treat. Yes, today we are all assembled here to launch the second edition of Festive Treat, which is Festive Treat 2.0. And I have a great pleasure in first welcoming our spokesperson and our seniors from the bank, beginning with Mr. Aditya Puri, who's the MD at the bank, Mr. Shashidhar Jagdishan, who's the MD designate, Mr. Parag Rao, who's the country head for payments business, merchant acquiring, and marketing at the bank, and also Ravi Santanam, who's the chief marketing officer at the bank. A warm welcome to all of you. Thank you so much for your time. और मैं स्वागत भी करना चाहूँगा हमारे मीडिया के जो मित्र हैं जो हमारे साथ आज जुड़े हुए हैं. दे हैव जॉइंड अस फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द कंट्री. They are live with us on this press launch, this digital press launch. Thank you so much for your time. So with that, I'll begin the proceedings. At this juncture, if I could get Mr. Puri, Parag, Ravi on the screens, please. Thank you so much. Welcome, Mr. Puri. Welcome, Parag. Welcome, Ravi. Thank you for your time. Now we will just be doing a small unveiling of Festive Treat campaign, which is Festive Treat 2.0. And as you know, you all will touch upon, this is going to be bigger and better, notwithstanding the circumstances that we are in. And we are really happy to be launching this. So if I can request Mr. Puri, Parag, and Ravi to give us a thumbs up, and on that cue, we will have the film playing. राइट. सो पिछले साल जब हम लोग ने इनॉग्रल फेस्टिव ट्रीट कैंपेन शुरू किया था, तो मुझे याद है तभी तुतारी जो महाराष्ट्र में बजता है, उसके गूंजों से हम लोग ने फेस्टिव ट्रीट का लॉन्च किया था. इस बार हम लोग ढोल के साथ हम लोग ने फेस्टिव ट्रीट 2.0 का उद्घाटन किया. And with that launch, I would now request Mr. Puri to please address the audience. Mr. Puri, over to you.
Good evening, friends. Thank you so much for taking the time to be with us today. Namaskar. I will cover my very short speech in three components. One is ये कोविड जिसने सबकी जिंदगी ऊपर नीचे की हुई है. दूसरा, भाई कोविड के साथ जीना है तो माहौल तो कुछ चेंज करना पड़ेगा, एंड आवर एंडेवर कि वो माहौल कैसे चेंज करे. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट is how with my friend and successor, along with the team that has been working with both of us, we are very confident that the best of HDFC Bank is still to come. तो पहले तो कोविड का कवर करते हैं. भैया कोविड आया है, कोविड चला जाएगा, हाथी निकल गया, पूछ रहेगी. इन एनी केस सारी दुनिया को कोविड के साथ जीना सीखना पड़ेगा. अब रो के जियो या हंस के जियो, और हंसो और सेफ रहो तो वो बेस्ट है. हमने ऑलवेज बोला है एचडीएफसी बैंक में कि हम तो नहीं हारेंगे और हम कोविड के साथ फिर भी अपना धंधा करते रहेंगे, एंड वी विल ब्रिंग सर्विसेज एंड डिलाइट टू आवर कस्टमर्स. सो आवर फर्स्ट 2 क्वार्टर रिजल्ट शो दैट, और एंड वी प्लान कि आगे भी वैसे ही होए. दूसरा, ये माहौल चेंज करना बहुत जरूरी है. फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज कि काफी चीज हो गई, उसको पीछे छोड़ो. अब आगे चलो, कोविड के साथ जीना है तो फॉलो द बेसिक, अपना मास्क पहनो, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग रखो, कुछ हाइजीन रखो, बाकी उसके बाद जिंदगी तो आगे चलनी है, लोगों की शादियां होनी है, लोगों ने अच्छा म्यूजिक करना है, अच्छी गाड़ी लेनी है, होल लॉट ऑफ दैट. So we bring to you now with the Bhangra, bhai, Bhangra palo. We bring to you now with the Bhangra. Festive Treats 2. Festive Treats 2 is much bigger than Festive Treats 1. We have tied up with all the leading brands. So you have big brands like Samsung, Reliance, Tata's, Apple, all of them with us, and all the other manufacturers. The key thing that we had said last time is this is a platform. In the platform, we try to bring and solve what all the customers can wish and bring them a good cheer. This time, we not only have the big players, but we have 1,000 others. And we will be providing our festive treats offer to the length and breadth of the country. Basically, also, we are now introducing that not only will the commodity be available to you, so will the loan. And our partners include both the merchants and the manufacturers. And the merchants are actively joining, and we have something for them as well. So what is there, I strongly urge you that given what has happened, everybody in the economy is wanting to see a turnaround. Everybody is wanting to see some optimism. So the offers that you will be getting from us and our partners, both in terms of pricing, as well as loan pricing, as well as processing fees, as well as the wide variety of products offered, my sincere advice, which I've given to all my friends and family, is yaar ek baari dekh to lo aur khushi aayegi. So this time we are launching an offline, online as well, and we are very confident that we will provide excellent cheer, and माहौल तो बदलना ही बदलना है. Then we come to मेरा partner शशि जगदीशन, उसके साथ partner उसकी management team और सबके साथ partner HDFC Bank employees. हम आगे क्या देखते हैं? हम आगे बहुत बुलंद फ्यूचर देखते हैं. तो क्योंकि हमको स्ट्रेन नहीं है बैलेंस शीट पर, हमारी कैपिटल एडिक्वेसी है, हमारा ब्रांड है, हम सेमी अर्बन रूरल में चले गए और डिजिटल कन्वीनियंस लेके आए हैं. अब आप ये देखिए कि भैया वो जो हो गया सो हो गया. अब जिससे बात करो, ही इज ऑलमोस्ट एट प्री कोविड लेवल. वो ऑटोमोबाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर होए, मोटरसाइकिल वाला होए, ट्रैक्टर होए, एफएमसीजी वाला होए, हम तो हैं ही हैं. वी आर वेरी प्राउड टू से नाउ वी आर बैक टू प्री कोविड लेवल. एंड आई वांट टू get my partner in crime and colleague for a long time, who together with the management team and the people have been putting the strategy, to say a few words why we are very confident that the future is here. HDFC Bank Treats is only one part of it, and a very good part of it in terms of both branding and going to the customer. Shashi?
Yes, Mr. Puri. Yes, Mr. Puri, thank you so much for those wonderful words. As I said, we are always, every time you talk, even after 25 years, a lot of us and the entire 130,000 people are all energized to rally behind whatever you say. I think we have a moment in history to create positivity in this kind of an unprecedented time, this kind of a negative atmosphere that the pandemic has sort of played out. This is a small way of contributing back to the mood of the nation, to say that, yes, life should move on. I think the bank is probably well positioned to complement that. I think we, as you rightly mentioned, I think we have the advantage of having a great distribution strength, a platform, and the kind of partnerships that we have nurtured over many years. And I think the team, as you rightly mentioned, is something that you have created so many clones over the years, and a lot of them think like you. So we are all blessed that we have imbibed small portions of your DNA, and we shall carry this forward in a much more positive way than what we have ever seen before, and probably even achieve your dream mission that you have laid it out for us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shashi. Well done. I am very confident and I couldn't be happier.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Right. Thank you so much, Mr. Puri. Thank you so much, Mr. Jagdishan. Indeed, encouraging and inspiring words from both of you. As the song that we released a couple of months back during the lockdown, "Hum Haar Nahi Manenge." So I think so. But this festive treat 2.0, while it is a campaign, it also epitomizes, you know, our ethos and conviction that no matter the odds, we will move on, and we have the conviction, we have the resources, we have the power and the talent, and then we'll definitely move on for the benefit of our customers and for India. So with that, I would like to also invite Mr. Parag Rao to take the audience through the Festive Treat 2.0, which is the second edition. Parag, over to you.
Thank you, Rajiv. Thank you, Mr. Puri, Shashi. I think in your own inimitable style, I think you've been, in a matter of 3.5 minutes, actually conveyed the complete spirit and the thought process, and of course, your vision also to all of us. You've really energized this whole thing. Good afternoon, friends from the media. Namaskar. I'll try to do a little more justice in the next couple of minutes by taking you through a little more of details of the festive treats and the reason why we are here. Can you put on the presentation, please? Yeah, thank you. So my initial में पहली बार I'll try to take you through कि ये festive treats है क्या, aside of what Mr. Puri and Shashi has mentioned, वो exactly है क्या? Can you go to the next slide, please? Well, festive treats 1 जो था वो last year हमने inaugural event था last year किया था. It was a huge success. We broke quite a few records. We did the highest card spends. We did the highest disbursal of personal loans. We did the highest two-wheeler numbers, and there are quite a few records which we actually broke, and all of these were highest in the history of HDFC Bank. At that point of time, the thought process जो हमारा था वो की है कि जो HDFC Bank के जो strength है, एक तरफ है we've got a very large and extremely high quality customer franchise, 50 million plus customers who are deeply engaged with the bank, customers whom from a credit point of view have been sort of vetted, and each one of them are extremely good in terms of credit buys, customers who are engaged in terms of a lot of product holding in the bank, customers who exhibit huge amount of spends, increasingly on and on. So we had this one key strength, and we said, what can we do? The thought process ये था कि उनके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं festive season के time. ये मैं last year की बात कर रहा हूँ. Okay, एक तरफ वो है, दूसरी तरफ हमारे पास है, we are the largest merchant acquirer. We have the largest number of transacting merchants with HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank network पे है. आप जानते ही होंगे कि we are the largest in the merchant acquiring business. Close to 50% of the industry volumes flow through HDFC Bank network, originated by more than 2 million merchants. They're all very high transacting merchants. And we said, और एक तरीका है, क्या तरीका हो सकता है ताकि कि जो best merchants of India है, how can we get them connected to our 50 million plus customers, ताकि दोनों को फायदा दिखे, दोनों को इस फेस्टिव सीजन में दिखे कि टॉप लाइन बढ़ सकता है, बिजनेस बढ़ सकता है, और ताकि खुशियां सब जगह हो. तो ये थॉट प्रोसेस था. एंड व्हेन वी लॉन्च festive this was the objective. We, as I said, got a lot of success. 2020, as you all know, is a year of challenge. एक ये environment जो change हुआ है वो हमारे पर आ गया है. And like Mr. Puri said, I think it's here to stay. लेकिन हमारे जो spirit है, I think that spirit, oversees everything else, our fighting spirit. And so we are very clear that notwithstanding COVID, we will still continue to be striving for the best. We'll keep our vision very rock solid and focused on that. And so we said festive treats too. And festive treats too should be bigger and better. Can you move to the next slide, please? Festive treats. तो ये philosophy क्या है? एक तो ये चीज़ है कि festive treats is a platform. It's a platform. सिर्फ campaign नहीं है, कोई advertising campaign नहीं है, ये सिर्फ जो emailer या कुछ collateral नहीं है. It's a campaign. Sorry, my mistake. Sorry. It's a platform The philosophy of the platform is very simple. How can you demonstrate that there is one bank to all our consumers and to all our merchants? These are the two ecosystems which are participating in this network. One bank. One bank का मतलब है, can we portray all the products which a consumer will require during the festive season, and how can the merchants avail of that and have access to that customer? So एक platform है for our customer experience. Okay. This platform takes offers across all the needs which normally a customer will write to during the festive season. So we have spend offers. We have spend offers across the big brands, the global brands, national brands. We have 2,000 plus offers from regional and local merchants, so that a customer can not only just avail of offers from the national brands, but also something in his neighborhood or locality, घर के आसपास उसके अपने town में. We have a variety of offers. This variety of offers cuts across not just consumer durables, but also across grocery, also across education, also across apparel, also across eating out. So we widened the scope of the kind of offers. Last जो तो दो तीन है, they are specific to the kind of customer behavior which we're seeing during the pandemic and the lockdowns, where day-to-day needs has become very important. Grocery. Hence, we've got a large number of offers on our debit cards, which people are using to buy their day-to-day needs. We've got a huge number of offers on electronics, consumer durables, etc., both full swipes बोलते हैं और EMI के ऊपर भी होते हैं. Because work from home is creating a new demand for devices which we all need: the extra phone, the extra TV, the extra Wi-Fi connection, etc. We're seeing online offers. Online has really taken a big, huge jump because घर में बैठ के, that's the best way to sort of react. So we've tied up with strong brands like Amazon to provide you great email offers. We have offers online for education. We have a 6-month tie-up with Byju's, where you can avail of an education course for your child or for yourself and take it on EMI. We have online offers for gyms, online gyms, yoga classes, etc. The entire range of these new kind of categories which have really come in. Important to also say that अगर हम इस deals के द्वारा हम discount दे रहे हैं, and the best deal in the marketplace during this time, where customer can get he doesn't need to go anywhere else, come to this one platform and get the best deal. उसके अलावा जो कैश डिस्काउंट के अलावा जो उनको भरपाई करना पड़ता है, उसके लिए वी हैव अ फंडिंग ऑफर. सो what we are doing is, so on one side is a cashback offer, on one side we have lending. You can take a loan, a personal loan, you can take an auto loan, get deals on that. You can use your car to take an EMI. So we are able to actually encompass the entire needs of this customer, okay, from lending, loans, and also deals which we are giving across the whole range. This platform is being used by a lot of our manufacturers and partners and merchants to also launch new products, and a little more details will come out as you go through the thing. Ultimately, we are also saying that merchants are our clear partners, so we have something specific for the membership of merchants onto this network. Details of which we will announce to do, but essentially to ensure that merchants speak of the offers, they talk to every customer and say, pull out your HDFC Bank card and get the best deal you can ever get anywhere in the country at my shop. So that's the core philosophy. It's, as I said, a platform. It's a platform to bring together the best of offers to our consumers, to take the best of offers from our merchant community, bring them together so that there's a mutual benefit. Net, what we are also saying is that, like Mr. Puri said, we want to play our role in stimulating the economy. We are the largest acquirer. As I said, we've got amongst the largest set of active customers. And we do believe that we can do our bit by launching Festive Treats 2.0 to help drive consumption. And of course, a strong message to our consumers that we are here when you require us. We are here to help you fulfill your dreams. Can you move to the next slide, please?
Next slide.
Yeah. This is just a depiction of some of the kind of offers. As you said, we have more than 2,000 hyper-local offers. These are some of the brands which you talk of, and there are many, many more brands. Post the launch, and once we formally go to the consumers, we'll also send you the WhatsApp tiles and PDF जो हमने बनाया है WhatsApp के ऊपर, which will give you a whole listing of all the offers, the exhaustive list of offers cutting across all the categories and which cities and which brands, etc., etc. We request you also to sort of send it across to your friends and colleagues, because this is the time to cheer. This is the time, despite all what's happening, this is the time to cheer. And we'd like to convey this message to our consumers. We are here at this time also to give you the best and help your dreams come true. So that's all I wanted to talk about festive treats. Thank you all very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Parag. Thank you for taking us through the entire contours and the shape and size of Festive Treat 2.0. Now, at this juncture, I would like to invite Mr. Ravi Santanam, who's the Chief Marketing Officer at the bank, to come and talk to us about the campaign and how did it take shape, and then how are we going to be taking it to the consumers. Over to you, Ravi. Ravi, we're not able to hear you.
Ravi, sir, you have to unmute yourself.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks, Rajiv. My compliments to all my friends and colleagues from the media fraternity for a fantastic job that they have been doing for the last 6 months. We know it's pandemic and many of us are working from home, but many of you people do not have that kind of luxury. And along with many of us in the bank, you are also in the front line, and my compliments for the phenomenal work that all of you people have been doing for the last 6 months. And my MD started off by saying we want to create the positivity and we want to move away and learn to live. Haske Jinas, we have to learn with Corona. And if we have to look at it from that perspective, what I look from the customers are saying, there is a lot of things that I used to do 6 months back and 1 year back, and suddenly they are finding that they have this worry that when will I do these kind of stuff going forward again? So there's a lot of this worry which is there, and we as a strongest brand in the country, the brand that has won for the last 7 years in a row, the biggest brand in the country, we think it's also our responsibility to do something for our customers to create that kind of a positivity. The first thing is, what is the offer per se? You heard it from Parag, you heard it from my MD. Whether it is online or offline, we have the offers. Whether it is from Amazon or whether it is from Apple, we have the offers. Whether it is on mobile or whether it is on automobile, we have the offers. Whether you want to do something in your household or you want to renovate your house itself, we have an offer. Whether you want to go ahead and create an accessory for your car or you want to buy a new car itself, we have an offer. Whether you want to go and buy a new two-wheeler because you want to safely commute to your office, we have an offer. So, and even if you want to buy grocery, which Parag specifically mentioned, health, wellness, education, and regular day-to-day stuff, where suddenly the consumer behavior has changed from physically going to a place to buying online. What we have done is leveraging our merchant partnerships, whether it is the automobile manufacturer, two-wheeler manufacturer, or our merchant partnership on the grocery side, pharmacy side, health and wellness side, plus the online, we are bringing it all together for our customers. That's the biggest benefit that you will see compared to last year. It's bigger and bigger from that perspective. And the whole thing now is how do we communicate to our customers? And again, we all are aware that this is a pandemic situation and the media plan needs to take care of the pandemic situation that's there in the country. And so the first thing we are doing, and in the thing is, today there is a big festival that's happening in the country, and which is IPL. So everybody is watching cricket, and everybody is watching cricket on both on their television screens as well as on their digital screens in front of them. So we as HDFC Bank has partnered, and we will have our above the line advertising in IPL, both on the television as well as in Hotstar starting from October 1st week. So that's the biggest step that we have taken to make sure that the offer that we have built for our customers is actually reaching the customers across the length and breadth of the country. So we will be present on every screen which the customer is spending their time on today because of the pandemic, whether it is the big screen in their homes or whether it is the small screen in their hands, we'll be present and we will ensure that our offerings are reaching our customers and to all of the Indians so that they can join us and participate and create this positivity. And we all want to create for the country as such. So that's our first thing. The second thing is obviously along with the television and digital, we'll also be doing a lot of BTL activities We have a huge presence at more than 5,500 plus branches and our retail centers. And all of these will also act as our points of presence for communicating this offer. Parag was talking about the scale and size of our merchant operations. We will make sure that more than 70,000 retail outlets are branded with our merchant for their festive season offerings for our customers. So that at the point of presence where consumers go and purchase something, people get to know about offers. So whether it is online, offline, whether it is above the line, below the line, you will see a full 360-degree media campaign on this. And now comes to the campaign thought. And I said the consumer insight is all about, can I be in a position to do this again? And Mr. Puri talked about how to create positivity both in the consumer minds as well as in the minds of the employees as well as every Indian. So the entire campaign thought would be, in spite of whatever is happening, we want to say all is possible. And you will see our campaign establishing this message in this situation, in this pandemic, all is possible. Come, join us, and together we will make sure that everybody has a smile and a cheer on their face going forward. Thank you.
Before we end, Mr. Puri, last words, final words on this campaign from you before we call the event a close, please.
देखो, I'll end with a joke. मलेशिया में पेनांग में एक community है, which is the Chinese community, which bargains a lot. तो वो bargain कर रही थी लेडी, ये कितने का है, ये कितने का है, तो उसने बोला 10% डिस्काउंट है, 20 है, 30 है. जब 35 पहुंचा तो बोलती है 2 दे दे. तो अभी देखो ये इतना अच्छा डिस्काउंट है, दूसरा दुनिया भी खुल रही है और जीना सीखो भैया, खुशी से जियो. I wish you all a very happy Diwali and very good festive season. And ठीक है, we all have difficulties, पर जो है सो है, वो तो आ गया अपने पर. अब जरा आराम से जी लो, हम भी आपकी थोड़ी मदद कर देते हैं, तो इकट्ठे मिलके जरा आगे बढ़ेंगे, इकोनॉमी भी बढ़ जाएगी. Thank you.